It's Squishy Scammer 2000, and I just got an order right here on my phone from Instagram, and yeah, so I just can't wait to scam some people and do their videos on YouTube. Okay, let's see what she ordered. Okay, so she ordered a jelly donut. What is it again? I'm just gonna really quickly ask someone how you pronounce this. So I'll be right. Okay, so it was Snowflake Bunny. Then it was a jumbo s'more, a jumbo cake, and a jumbo unicorn. I'm definitely gonna write no refunds because I don't have any of those things. So yeah, let's just start scamming. Okay, so I don't have a jelly donut, but I do have this kind of like jelly donut. Kind of like a donut, I don't know. Kind of like a stress reliever toy. Put a bit in the box. Then a snowflake bunny. I don't have one, but I have this really dense and ripped bunny. It's not even solarizing. So I'll put it in there. Alright, next is a jumbo s'more. I don't have a jumbo s'more, but I have this s'more. Ripped. So, yeah, she can have it. I don't care. She won't really care, so. Okay, I need to find. Okay, it's a jumbo cupcake. I have this cupcake. It's pretty solarizing, but ripped here. There's a lot of defects on this. I can't even show you, but whatever. Okay. Now, I don't have a jumbo unicorn, but I do have this unicorn in its packaging. So, pretty squishy. I'll give it to her. And now, since I'm feeling extra generous, I'm going to give her 3 extras. So the first extra I'm going to give her is this macaroon lip balm that was used. Because I don't really need to give her good extras. This LPS, I don't know, just give it to her. And this little squishy. In my kawaii squishy homemade packaging. And I'm just gonna give her the stuff now. Okay, I'm just gonna wrap it up. Okay, and I'm gonna write no refunds. Okay, I think that's good. Now I'm just gonna put on this packaging. Oh, sorry, I'm not on camera. I think okay. Now put the no refunds card on the top. Oh, ooh. I have a problem here. So this was taped, and the tape is sticking to the paper. Alright, whatever, don't care. I don't even care about the package. I'm just gonna open it anyway. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, like that. Like that. And like that. Alright, I'm just gonna ship it to her and I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh my gosh, my squishy package came. I am so excited. I've been waiting for 3 months. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right into opening it. Okay, I'm not gonna open from the back because my address is there, so yeah, okay. She gave some tape. By the way, you should go check her out. Her Instagram photos are so good. Her Instagram photos are, her Instagram account is I'm Totally Not a Scammer 2000. So, and I think she has a YouTube channel. Leave it in the down below. Okay, I'll take out the letter first. Oh, it says on the back, no refunds. So better be good. Okay, invoice. Jelly donut, that's $6.75. A snowflake bunny, $30.99. That's a lot for a snowflake bunny, but whatever. A jumbo s'more, $10.99. Jumbo cupcake, $30.62. Jumbo unicorn, $22.99. And again, no refunds. Okay. Okay. You guys get the first look. I'm not looking. Hope you see something now. I'm just gonna put my hand in. Okay. I have this little, I don't know what this is. I'm guessing it's an extra because it doesn't look like anything I got on the list. It's more like a stress toy, so. Okay. Next. A bunny? Okay, I did order a snowflake bunny, but I did not order, look at that rip. Like, I did not order this kind of type. It's really dense, and it's, like, not even slow rising. And, like, the snowflake one is, like, way more slow rising. I don't know. If that's my snowflake bunny, I'm gonna, like, you know, actually text her about it. Because if it's like that, then I don't know. Okay. What is this? It says LPS on it. Oh, I think I know what the LPS are. Okay. So it's wearing a cast, I think, there and there. Pretty nice. I know that's an extra because I did not order any of those. Another plastic thing. It's a macaroon. Oh, it's lip balm. It's used. Ew. Okay, still a good little cute accessory. Another extra. So 3 extras so far. Oh, a jelly donut. Wait, what? Why did I say jelly donut? Okay, just this kind of thing. LPS and a macaroon lip balm. So I don't even know why I said jelly donut, but whatever. Okay. Okay. This, a kawaii squishies. This is an extra too. 4 extras. That is like a lot. Still, I'm gonna squish it out of the packaging too, so you guys can see. Squishy this. Whoa, that's so squishy. It's a squishy mushy. I think a smooshy. I don't know how to say it, but cute packaging, I guess. Homemade. Okay. Put that in the extra bin. Okay. First thing I see is cupcake. It's green and it has a rip on top. It cannot be my jumbo cupcake. If it's my jumbo cupcake, I will like contact her like so much. But I guess I'll squish it for you. That is really slow rising. Like, but there's like a defect there, around, on top, between the layers. Still, it's really soft. Okay. I like how it's in the packaging, but okay. It's a unicorn, I know that. Like, I can see it. It's a unicorn. But, come on, it can't be my jumbo unicorn. I paid $23 for that. If it is, like, I'm actually seriously going to contact her. Okay, let's push it once in the packaging. Now, it's taped on top. I was going to cut it, So I have scissors right here, but apparently it's taped, so. Okay, I'm just gonna like not record this. It's gonna take long, so yeah. Okay, I opened it. It's so soft. But why does it have a hole in it? Okay, I don't know. Let's squish it. Whoa, that is like really slow rising for one of like a skinny squishy. Still, squish it. Okay. There's a little bit of missed paint jobs and yeah, some defects. But I mean, it's not really what I wanted, and I'm kind of, you know, mad that I got it. Like, I know I'm really mad actually of like all of it, and now I think the only thing left is my jelly donut and my jumbo s'more. So yeah, because I got 4 extras, which is like, thank you if you're watching this video. Okay, there's something else. Okay, this is a s'more. I know that. But isn't my jumbo s'more $11? Okay, I'm just gonna squish it. I'm just really mad about it. Like, I paid $11 for this, and what I get is a complete ripoff for $11. This you can buy at Soft and Slow, I think. I think I even have one. Okay. Now, let's see for... There's no jelly donut? What? Okay, I'm just going to look over here. Okay, the only thing I see is this. So I know jelly donuts kind of look like this, but this can't be it. It's like a magnet to fridge. And it's like, it's not even squishy. And worst of all, there's no refunds. Okay, I'm definitely telling her this. Let's see if she replies. Okay. Said it says on both sides no refunds. Okay. Still wasn't that all. It was really like a waste of my money. But I guess this person doesn't really care. So, yeah. I'm just going to close this up because I'm going to put my squishies back. I'm not going to, like, ask to, like, give this back or give it back. She won't give me any of my money back. So I'm just not going to do it. But I'll put it back in because I feel like I should. So, yeah. Still, I really am going to contact her, like, after this video. So, yeah. Alright. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And, yeah, I dressed up. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It took at least 14 minutes to make and a lot of going there and back. So, yeah, I just hope you enjoyed, and bye!